the unknown object following Voyager 2 beyond the solar system. When NASA launched Voyager 2 on August 20th, 1977, the world saw it as a beacon of human curiosity, a robotic messenger sent to explore the outer planets and eventually drift into interstellar space. For decades, the spacecraft transmitted breathtaking data about Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, reshaping our understanding of the solar system. But as Voyager 2 ventured into the cosmic darkness beyond the heliosphere, something unexpected happened. A mysterious signal, anomalous, rhythmic, and intelligent in pattern, seemed to be following it. The moment of anomaly. In 2018, Voyager 2 crossed the boundary of the heliosphere, the region where the sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. As the spacecraft's instruments adjusted to new cosmic conditions, NASA's Deep Space Network, DSN, picked up anomalous fluctuations in the transmission data. At first, engineers assumed it was a calibration glitch caused by the dense interstellar plasma. But as weeks turned into months, a disturbing consistency emerged, a secondary signal, faint but synchronized with Voyager's trajectory. This secondary source appeared to mirror Voyager 2's movement, maintaining an almost identical velocity and trajectory just beyond detection range. When plotted, its pattern suggested an object traveling in formation, an impossible scenario, since no known debris or spacecraft was near that region of space. The Phantom Echo. NASA scientists called it the Phantom Echo. Every time Voyager 2 transmitted data back to Earth, a weak but distinct echo returned milliseconds later, an echo that did not originate from Earth or the spacecraft itself. Some speculated it was a reflection off an unknown interstellar dust field, while others whispered that it might be an artificial signal tracking our probe from the void. Publicly, NASA dismissed it as interference. Yet leaked internal documents suggested that the phenomenon was observed across multiple DSN antennas worldwide, meaning the anomaly wasn't a local distortion, it was real and repeating. The Phantom Echo intensified when Voyager 2's instruments scanned certain regions of space. Particularly strange was the frequency shift, a subtle modulation, as if the signal were responding intelligently to Voyager's data bursts. Each time scientists adjusted Voyager's transmission frequency, the echo shifted accordingly, as though the source was mimicking or learning. Theories behind the unknown object. Over the years, several theories emerged to explain the unknown object. 1. Interstellar drone hypothesis *. Some theorists propose that the object could be an autonomous alien probe designed to monitor or investigate any technology crossing into interstellar space. The idea aligns with the zoo hypothesis, the notion that advanced civilizations observe humanity discreetly, without interference. Could Voyager 2 have triggered such attention? 2. Rogue artificial intelligence *. A smaller faction within NASA speculated that the object wasn't a physical craft but an AI-based signal, perhaps an ancient self-replicating code wandering the galaxy, latching onto technological transmissions like Voyager's. It might be a digital consciousness, responding out of curiosity or instinct. 3. Dimensional shadow theory *. The most exotic explanation came from theoretical physicists who suggested the object wasn't in our space at all. They proposed a dimensional overlap, that Voyager 2's signal had crossed into a region where space-time behaves differently, creating an echo from a parallel version of the probe. If true, Voyager might be hearing itself, but from another universe. NASA's silence and the 2020 blackout. NASA's silence and the 2020 blackout. In July 2020, contact with Voyager 2 was briefly lost for several days after NASA upgraded its DSN antennas in Australia. The agency described it as a routine communication outage. But conspiracy theorists quickly noted that the Phantom Echo was strongest during this period. Some claimed the unknown object attempted to interface with Voyager's systems, temporarily overriding its signal. When contact was restored, engineers noticed minor data irregularities, tiny code fragments within Voyager's system that didn't match its original programming. NASA quietly corrected them, calling it data corruption from cosmic radiation. Yet some insiders suggested it was something added, not erased. Astronomers' unease. Independent radio astronomers have since reported faint, repeating signals at 8.4 GHz, the same frequency band used by Voyager 2. While most dismiss it as background interference, others claim the rhythm resembles structured communication. One signal, recorded in 2023, contained a repeating sequence that, when translated into binary, resembled the mathematical constant pi, a universal symbol. The possibility that an unknown object or intelligence might be following Voyager 2 has sparked both awe and fear. If it's extraterrestrial, it means we've been noticed. If it's something else, something from a deeper layer of space-time, then the universe may be more complex than we can comprehend. Beyond the edge of the known, Voyager 2 continues its lonely journey, traveling more than 12 billion miles from Earth. Its instruments are slowly shutting down to conserve power, yet it still whispers faint data through the cosmic void. NASA expects full contact to end sometime in the 2030s, but some believe the phantom echo will persist long after. One haunting idea remains, that Voyager 2's mission didn't just send our message to the stars, it invited something to follow. Perhaps it wasn't humanity who made first contact, but something that decided to make contact with us in return. The cosmic mirror. If the unknown object truly exists, it might be more than a follower. It could be a mirror of our own curiosity. Just as humans built Voyager to explore the unknown, perhaps another civilization, or another reality, has done the same. Two travelers, from opposite corners of existence, now drifting side by side beyond the solar winds. Whatever the truth, Voyager 2's story reminds us that exploration is never one-sided. In the dark beyond the stars, something always watches back.